Meanwhile, Customs Chief Rufy Biazon will push for the passage of legislation that will strengthen further the anti-smuggling campaign of the government. Let's hear the details from Noel Perfecto.
Customs authorities will no longer take any chances of giving breathing spaces to syndicates operating in the country's ports of entry and exit, because no less than former Muntinlupa Congressman Rufy Biazon will see to it that the new customs bill will be passed into law when the House convenes a few days from now. Biazon made his announcement before leaving for Brussels, Belgium today to attend the World Customs Organization one-week meet, which would finally put an end to smuggling activities worldwide. Commissioner Biazon says that all that's happening at the customs zone are in line with President Benigno Aquino's directive to provide honest to goodness service to the people and to make sure that everyone in the Bureau toe the line for a better revenue collection-oriented agency of government.
Doon sa ating efforts na yun, nakikita natin umaandar at sumusulong na yung computerization. Yung mga kakulangan ng kasalukuyang sistema ay mapupunuan na natin sa pamamagitan ng mga panibagong paggamitan na sa kasalukuyan napapokryo na natin, nabibili na natin. Pangalawa, yung doon sa modernization, dumadami ang sumusuporta, na naniniwala na totoong kailangan nga natin i-modernize itong batas na ito. And pangatlo, yung kultura sa Bureau, although mahirap baguhin, nakakaramdam na tayo ng orientation ng pagbabago among officials and employees of the Bureau.
He likewise called the attention of the task force against house to provide more backgrounders and evidences that would warrant the immediate removal of all non-organic customs personnel who double up as runners for these unscrupulous groups. Biazon said the Bureau will go after them until corrupt practices will finally be a history at the ports and piers of the Philippines.
May feedback tayo nakukuha sa mga stakeholders sa serbisyo na nakukuha nila. Pero siyempre mahaba pa rin na tatahakin makompleto lahat ng mga reforms na yan. Pero nakikita natin na mayroong pag-asa dahil may mga gains tayo na nakukuha ngayon.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.